Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm excited because we got so many builds going on. We got a lot of stuff happening here in the background. But one of the things that I want to talk to you guys about is these Lube oil tank packages. First of all, thank you for making this platform a success. And it's been a success for multiple reasons. And that's the point of this video. Number one is that we understand the value that it takes to put these tank packages together for you guys. One of the things that we've always said all along is we want to keep you doing what you do best, which is delivering oil, delivering fuel, chemicals, and various other things to keep your customers up and running. We have become an extension of your business by being able to take, for example, in this case, a lot of these tank packages that we have streamlined and we can build within half a day. This takes square footage. So we have 10 tanks here. This is roughly about 200 square feet of workable area that's needed in order to accommodate a safe environment for someone to come here and knock this thing out within a few hours, okay? Number two, right after the build, remember, right after the build, because we ship these units either together or separate, right? We really ensure that every one of these units get QC. We don't just take a sample of 2, 3, 5, 7. We take a sample of every single one of them, all of them. Every single one of these units gets QC from the pump to connection to hose reels to the nozzle to ensure that when it gets there, because it is your name, your reputation, that everything works accordingly and everything works properly, okay? Number three, logistics. This takes time and effort to coordinate who's coming to pick it up, where is it going, do we have the right address, do we follow up, do we ensure that during transit everything is protected. So again, when it shows up to your customer side, because it is your reputation, your name, that it arrives brand new, good to go, you guys show up and fill it, and that way everybody's happy. Number four, okay, has to do with the warranty of this product, right? We take care of it. We've become that extension of your business. We handle the hardware. We handle any issues. We handle any warranty claims whatsoever, right? So we do carry a warranty that is worth it when it is needed. So that's it for now. I just wanted to highlight the importance of that. Again, we want to keep you doing what you do best. Let us handle the rest. I'll see you guys on the next video.